North Wales Honda is located in the town of Llandudno on Mostyn Broadway. The family-run business is handily placed between the Jet petrol station and Venue Cymru, with 2 entrances into the showroom allowing easy access for disabled customers. We stock over 40 used cars on site and have access to over 2,000 pre-loved Honda cars from 6 months young to 10 years of age. If a used car is what you need, our sales team will carefully help you to select the right car for you and also provide a number of solutions on how to pay for your next car, including hire purchase and PCP. All approved used cars have a 12-month warranty. As the exclusive North Wales retailer for Honda cars, we stock the entire range, from the versatile Jazz, multi-purpose HRV, award-winning Civic and spacious and prestigious CRV, and let's not forget the high-performance Civic Type R. The sales team, led by Adrian, will make sure you are selecting the correct car and fully understand the purchase process and finance options available. We also offer a range of paint protects and service plans to maintain your new car. We pride ourselves on a non-rush sales experience and look forward to extending this to your after-sales care. All the functions and features will be carefully explained and demonstrated. Our after-sales team will maintain your car to protect its residual value and guarantee its health and reliability. We offer a 12-month service plan and extended guarantee, which includes a full European breakdown and recovery service. Our comfortable waiting area has refreshments and Wi-Fi. Well, why not take a free of charge courtesy car or test drive a new model while you wait? At North Wales Honda, we offer a price match guarantee on service, maintenance, MOT and tyres on all makes and models, not just Honda cars. Our highly trained team of technicians have a wealth of experience and use the latest electronic equipment to health check your car. No work will take place on your car until authorised by you, the customer. We stock a wide range of makes and sizes of tyres and price match any competitor within a 10-mile radius. All vehicles are washed free of charge after maintenance and service work. Our team are renowned for their warm and friendly greeting, which reflects on the long-term relationships we have with our customers. We look forward to welcoming you to our business. Keep up to date with our offers and news on Facebook and Twitter, or browse our used car stock at northwaleshonda.co.uk.